If you've encountered security checks on your PayPal account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and log in using your credentials. If your account is limited, you may see a notification regarding the security checks that need to be completed. Step 2. Review the notifications. Once logged in, check the Notifications or Alerts section on your account dashboard. This will provide specific information about the security checks and what actions are required to resolve them. Step 3. Complete required actions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact PayPal support if necessary. If you encounter issues or need clarification during the process, reach out to PayPal's customer support. You can do this through the Help Center or by calling their support line. Be prepared to provide details about your account and the security checks. Step 5. Monitor your account status. After completing the required actions, regularly check your account status. It may take some time for PayPal to review your submissions and restore full access. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the process of restoring full access to your PayPal account after security checks. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal support for assistance.